Here is a counter.
Chuyên gia Hassan người
This one is
Zalo
the
sang
speed from
hướng dẫn anh em
1
sử
till the
dụng máy cắt
99. Now we can put the maximum
cắt dây điện của thương hiệu HSNCO.
99 cutting. Here is a cutting time. We can, for sure, we put the 4 times. Sometimes material a little hard. You can use this option. Normal time is a 1 time enough, but material not easy to cut. You can try this one 2 till the 1 till the 9. Now we put the 9. Then we can try. You see 4 times cut, 1 time feed. Now change to the cutting time to 1 setting. Okay, now you can see just a 1 time cut. Because counter is a finish in the clean counter. Size almost with the less than 1 mm tolerance. So any kind of the heat shrink, PVC tube, soft tube, foam such as the thick paper, anything maximum wide 100, this one can cover. Also have another model, bigger 160 mm blade wide.